students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna have marketing section 2, so let's start. This chapter we're gonna describe the market research. We're gonna identify steps in developing a new here product. Why it's important? Effective marketing, as we said, puts the products in the hands of whom? The targeted customers, of course, as we said last time. We have here, as we see, companies do market research. They are doing what? The market research to gather and study information about the consumers. You, as the business, the owner of a business, a company, you're doing market research. You are analyzing and studying the information about your consumers, their needs. Why? To adapt here your product or to give them the right product. Demographic. What about demographics? Are facts about the population in terms of what? Your population, people around you. You want to see their categories of age, their gender, their location, income, and education also. Once marketers know the demographics, and this is very important, they can now develop products for them. What's marketing, guys? Marketing is businesses want you to buy what? Of course, we know that businesses want you to buy as consumers. We are as consumers to buy their products. So they perform what? Detailed research on markets. So you go into the market and make a detailed research, details all they know and analyze all the data, all the information about what? About the consumers, about the markets. Target marketing. I'm targeting here. What does it mean? Target marketing. I'm targeting here a specific here category. So businesses find and analyze, and the word analyze is very important here. Potential customers in their marketing. As we see here, I have here marketing concept. This involves determining the wants and needs of customers. We wanna now know the needs and the wants of customers, what they need, what they really need, and provide according to their age, gender, and so on, and providing them more efficiently and effectively than competitors. And I'm not just studying the consumers, I'm studying also and their needs and wants, and studying also the competitors and see how can I make a plus benefit more than the competitor, so they can buy from me, not from them. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is what? It's the division of a market for a product into groups of customers who have the same needs and traits. I'm categorizing here or dividing here the market for for a product into what? Into groups of customers who have the same needs and the same traits. Product development. A company's ability to create a new product or a slight variation is important in increasing sales, of course. So when the company has the ability to create a new product or a slight variation, it's important for increasing the sales. So you can do some development to your product. 7 steps to develop a new product. Yes, we have 7 steps. The first one, generate here ideas to get the initial idea, then screen the ideas, visualize your idea, then develop business proposal, then develop the product, then test the market product, then introduce the product, then evaluate customer acceptance after introducing your final product. Let's talk about here step by step, and they are very easy, guys. Generate ideas. It usually takes more than one person to come up with new ideas. So, how to begin the idea? Here, the idea can be begun by not just one, usually more than one person to start the idea. Workers often get together to think of new products This is called brainstorming. When we sit together and think about a new idea, this is called what this is called. Yes, brainstorming meeting. People from a company's development department, the market research staff who do so, the market research staff, and even outside market researchers may be involved in this meeting. The brainstorming collaboration is the key in this step. So we have to collaborate together. Screen ideas, how to visualize your idea. The team must evaluate each idea. How do these ideas fit the company mission and strategy? Is this idea here serves my mission and strategy? Does the new product compete with one of the company's existing product? I'm eating myself. Consumers can identify what they liked or disliked about this concept. Their responses are what very crucial as they were the company continues with the proposed product. What about developing a business plan? Once the creative ideas pass the screening process or past the visualizing, one or two of the ideas are developed. So I'm getting now one or two ideas from the plan my plan. The written proposal provides a look at the market. This includes what? Estimated sales, costs, profit potential, market trends, and competing products. What about developing the product? If the company's decision makers are in favor of the product, or if the company's decision makers liked the product, it appealed to them, so a prototype will be made. A prototype, what does it mean? Is a model. It's just a model of the actual product. I'm putting here a model for the product. It's used to see what the new product look like, right? It also tests how it can be made. I want to see how it can be made. Okay, for a trial, if any aspects of the prototype need to be changed, now it's the time to make changes. Test market product. To test the market, a product means what? To offer it in a limited market for a limited time. So I want to see if it's effective, if it's efficient, if it appeals to my product, the new product appeals to other. We can also say an example or mention an example. If you have heard before about Shepsi, where Shepsi was making new flavor, and it says what it's for a limited time. This flavor is barbecue. The flavor of barbecue for just a limited time. So what happened now? This means that I am here testing the market of a product to offer in a limited market for a limited time to see its effectiveness, the responses of the customers, to see if the product is likely to be a successful one or not. Testing may give a competitor time to produce similar product. This is very important. Then both products may enter the market at the same time, and the first firm loses its competitive advantage. A publicity campaign introduces what here how to introduce the product. A publicity campaign introduces the product. The costs of launching a new product, as we know, are often high because this is a new product and it needs a lot of advertising. The company has a short time in the market before competitors. They want to develop similar products, so I have to hurry up in introducing my new product after the trial time. After that, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna evaluate the customer acceptance. Marketers here track customers and their responses to it. What do you think about my new product? And I'm analyzing here the accounting records to see the profits. The reports answer key questions that can be used in the company's research and development plans. Who are the best customers for this? If customers like the new product, the company will continue to produce them, of course. If not enough customers like it, it may not be on the market longer. Okay, guys, and this is the homework. I hope you understood this. and we have some questions we should ask ourselves about these questions. What's the purpose of market research? Name and describe the 7 steps in developing a new product. By this we covered chapter 13, marketing in today's world. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, please send me on the SCL. Bye bye, my dear students.